45 moments when a lion knocks down a buffalo. How did this chase take an unexpected turn? The lion, the king of the grasslands of Africa, is known for his impressive behavior and strength. In the natural world, wild buffalo are often known for their incredible strength. When encountering lions, they show extraordinary courage and resistance. However, the mighty lions do not give up easily. They unite into a powerful force, attacking buffaloes with sophisticated tactics and strong solidarity. This confrontation often costs wild buffaloes painful sacrifices. Lions, with their fierce and dominating personalities, are always the noble children of the wild kingdom. When they attack buffalo, they show their boldness and skillful hunting ability. The lion often rushes out with charisma, attacks and defeats the baby buffalo, leaving the mother buffalo helpless as she witnessed her baby being attacked and cannot do anything else. The power of the lion is a symbol of cruelty and ferocity in the wild. Lions, with their excellent hunting instincts and superior strength, are often confident rulers. In the video you are watching, a wild buffalo in the herd cannot escape the attack of the male lion and is violently dragged away by the lion, defeating all defense efforts of the buffalo. Lions, cunning predators, approach buffalo with subtlety and consensus. They always take advantage of the dust and tall grass to get closer without being detected. Loud cries echoed in the distance, and the buffalo struggled in pain to escape. Under the irony attack of wild buffalo, lion gradually lost strength and became attractive prey. The lion's hunting instinct is an important part of their life and survival. As top predators in the food system, lions have developed a series of skills to become great hunters. When a lion detects a lone buffalo, the hunting instinct kicks in immediately. They began to approach, and when the time came, the lions charged fiercely. A loud roar filled the air, and the buffalo was caught up in an attack. It couldn't do it. Even another wild buffalo did not dare to come to his friend's rescue and was afraid to leave, causing an unfortunate wild buffalo to become the lion's prey. One fine day, a mighty lion attacked a lone wild buffalo. However, unfortunately for the lions, a huge herd of wild buffaloes with thousands of animals appeared. The roar of wild buffalo is a signal of solidarity and willingness to protect the weak. The lion, realizing the strong solidarity of the wild buffalo's herd, was scared and had to run away. Wild buffalo is a wild animal with a strong and impressive body. They have muscular bodies, large curved horns on their heads, and thick skin that covers their bodies to protect them from environmental attacks. When compared to lions, wild buffaloes are larger in size and stronger. However, sometimes the lion can still attack the wild buffalo, using its speed and strength to powerfully bite the wild buffalo's neck. And through this bite, the wild buffalo cannot resist, and leading to its death in the cruelty of wild nature. In the thick grasses of the Serengeti grasslands, a lively chase takes place. A group of powerful lions joined forces to attack a giant wild buffalo. The lion, with its strength and subtle tactics, blocked its opponent and used the unity of the herd to defeat it. The tiring bites eventually caused the wild buffalo to no longer be able to resist and die. In a vast grassland in the wilds of Africa, a group of elite lions gathered with the sole goal of a giant and ferocious wild buffalo. They surround their prey, trying to use clever tricks and plans to bring it down. However, the wild buffalo refused to surrender. The strength and indomitability of the wild buffalo caused the lions to leave and let the prey survive. Lions, the regal animals of the grasslands and deserts, are fierce and courageous in their hunting preferences. The hunting instinct has played an important role in their lives for millions of years. This is clearly shown when three ferocious lions suddenly rushed to attack a powerful wild buffalo. The combination of their strength, tactics, and concentration left the buffalo herd with no chance to resist and perish. Solidarity of the wild buffalo herd has become a strong symbol, but in the face of the ferocity of the lion herd, they cannot avoid a painful fate. Initially, during the confrontation, the wild buffaloes gathered together, ready to face the enemy. However, the lion's power was too great. Its terrible strength defeated their unity. A wild buffalo, a close friend of the herd, had to endure pain when he was attacked and eaten by the herd of lions. One warm afternoon in the green grassland, thousands of wild buffaloes were playing together, unaware that danger was near. In the dense bushes, a group of ferocious lions appeared. The terrifying attack began, with the terrifying roar of the lions and the shock of the buffalo herd. However, although lions have extraordinary hunting abilities, wild buffalo herds are not easy to capture. The solidarity and strong dominance of thousands of buffaloes caused the lions to retreat. In the wild nature of the green grasslands, lions are talented hunters. Their cold eyes always observe the giant herd of wild buffaloes, bewilderingly gazing on the lawn. When the opportunity comes, the lion chases his target at the speed of light. However, the wild buffalo herd is too crowded and strong. Even the lion cannot get close enough to attack. They had to accept defeat because the great power of the buffalo herd proved that in nature, opportunity does not always smile on the hunter. The fierce confrontation between lions and buffalo is a dramatic scene in the wilderness. When lions advance, they often focus on attacking their target with fervor. The wild buffalo was strong and tried to resist by ramming the lion into the air. When the lion is not paying attention, the buffalo will quickly see an opportunity to escape the chase. Herds of lions, strong and determined animals, often make a terrifying charge when they decide to hunt giant buffaloes. When the sun rises high, lions begin to attack buffalo on the African savannah, creating a terrifying image. Their terrifying roars and unanimity make the wild buffaloes feel helpless before this organizational power. Lions are skillful and agile, constantly seizing opportunities to overwhelm and eventually overthrow their prey. An ill-fated buffalo is wandering on the savannah, unaware that fate is in store for him. The lions, the elite hunters of the wild, decided to choose this buffalo as their prey. Buffalo, under the dominance of the lions, there was no way to escape the bad results. The strength and solidarity of the lions was evident, and the buffalo finally became the meal, satisfied the hungry lions. The lion, the king of the grasslands, is famous for his strength and bravery. In the warm sunset, the sun shines down on the Savannah grasslands of Africa. A fierce male lion approached the wildebeest. As the lion approaches, it quickly changes speed and leaps up with a powerful attack. The wildebeest tried to resist, but the lion's strength was more than enough to make it irresistible. The chase ended quickly when the wildebeest accepted its fate and fell into darkness. In the vast grassland of the wilderness, lions have gathered, ready for an exciting hunt. When the lions appeared, they saw under the blue sky, the wild buffalo suddenly met the fierce lions chasing. In a panic, they had to leave the weak cubs behind. Unfortunately, the heart is quickly broken when the lion attacks the innocent young buffaloes. The young buffaloes' cries of pain and brief resistance ended in a brutal hunt and became the lion's prey. The lion, the crown of the wild animals, is famous for its strength and grace that is hard to compare. Compared with buffalo, an adult lion can prove to be many times stronger and more agile. Not only possessing superior strength, lions also have the ability to hunt strategically, often attacking in groups to defeat prey larger than themselves. The dramatic attack of lions and buffalo herd was a natural performance in this wild land. A wild buffalo was accidentally caught by a lion, and a test attack began. However, luck blossomed as the number of wild buffaloes coming to the rescue was so large that the lions failed to control their prey and were eventually forced to retreat and accept defeat. The lion, the king of the wilderness, is a symbol of strength and authority. With a slender fur and flexibility, they are talented hunters. The sharp, sparkling eyes give the lion the ability to see an opportunity and take advantage of it in any situation. In contrast, the buffalo, although large and strong, is often unable to resist a brutal attack of a lion. In the jungles of Africa, the maternal love of wild buffalo is sublime. When the ferocious lions rush in, the mother buffalo's sacrifice and protection explodes. But the strength of the lions was too great, and the mother buffalo, after a fierce battle, finally had to die. The lion, the king of the African grasslands, is famous for its bold behavior and outstanding strength. They often live in groups, expanding their territory to hunt and protect their flocks. However, the lion's destructive desire can sometimes turn out to be terrifying. The hunt attacks wild buffalo mercilessly. In a furious attack, the mighty lions cause the buffalo in pain to fall and become attractive prey for the lions. Lions are wild animals with incredible strength. When attacking wild buffaloes, they often bite into the mouth, causing the buffalo pain. In pain and unable to resist, the buffalo finally had to give up its life before the rise of the lions, demonstrating the cruelty of nature. If you stayed at the last moment, why not give a like and share to let your loved ones know? Please join our channel by clicking the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell so we can join together in the next video.